Welcome to anvilsforsale.com. Today we are showing a 455-pound North German anvil. It has about 1/10 of an inch of saddle in the center, and it has some edge damage and some damage to the tip of the horn. But other than that, it rings beautifully, rebounds great, and is a terrific anvil. This anvil was from one of the great factories in Germany. It has the weight stamped into the side above the upset block, and on the upset block it has the indication that it might be a D.W. Dury, but it's kind of hard to read. Notice that the upset block is at an angle different, not parallel that is, with the face. It's at a bit of a slope. That's the way it turned out.